alaikum. Welcome to Nasir Soft. This is the Nltk tutorial series and we are talking about the feature extraction from the text, and in this video I will show you the three basic feature extraction techniques that are mostly used. The first is extract the number of characters from the text. The second is the average word length, and then we talk about the number of stop words in a text. So let's start. So first I import the NLTK and its library, and we already import the panda, okay, for to read this CSV file. This is the basically my Twitter data inside this one. And first of all I create from this data file that contains that CSV file. Now I create a new attribute and name it the number, for example number of characters, okay, number of characters. So I will show you how you can extract the number of characters of your text data, okay. And this one, from the data field, inside my data field the text attribute contains all the text related tweets, okay. Here text, name of the attribute, and then we apply the string dot the length method, okay. It will return the each individual tweet's overall number of characters length and save it inside the number of characters attribute. If I print the data file now you will see that a new column will be added and it contains the number of characters. If I execute, here you can see inside my first tweet, okay, the number of characters are 206. Inside this one the number of characters is 64, and it shows the each individual tweets and number of characters, okay. So this is how you can extract the number of characters from your text, okay. So now let's move to the second feature, that is the average word length. If you learn how to extract the average word length of your tweet or text, so this potentially help us for improving our model, okay. So for this, here I name a new column that is average word length, okay. And inside the text data, okay, that is contained the tweet data, all tweets are inside the text attribute. So therefore from the data file, the text attribute, it contains all the text, okay. Here we apply some function that is lambda, okay. That is nothing but just like you can understand about the loop, uh, lambda, okay, x, such as for each individual tweets, okay. Here call this method that is average, we will define this one average word and pass the each individual text, okay. So it gives us the red line, that is error. Basically we not define the this method yet. So here at the top I define the method. For defining the method, that is definition, then the method name, its argument. For example here this argument is for each individual sentence or tweet, I name it tweet. For this, first for each sentence we determine the each, we eliminate the each word. For this I write a new variable that is word and split the tweet, okay, this one tweet dot split. Now it basically from the sentence it splits all the words, okay, with the space, okay. If I, for example here, if I print the word and this, I comment this one, and if I execute, then you will see there's an the error. Basically this is slit. Okay, I write it slit, not split. So this is split, split. If I again execute, then you will see here it basically split the each word. So we are going in the right direction. So after extracting the words from the tweets, we will return the average of each words. Okay, what is the average? The sum of all the words divided by its length. Okay, for this here inside the parentheses, first we calculated the sum of all words, and at last we divided the average length, the length of all words. Okay, so inside the sum, so this is the basic formula, the sum of all the word divided by the length of overall word. Okay, so basically we are interesting in the average word length. For this here there is a length of word. We basically determine the loop for word in, for example here is words, and in this is word. So inside the word, so for each word, okay, up to its length, determine or check its total length. Okay, and then divided it, after summing all the length, divided by its average, its overall length. Okay, so if I execute this program, and here I print out this after apply the lambda x for all individual tweets. Okay, so for the first tweet, it, for all the words of the first tweet, for example, it return it first of all, for all the words it determine the length of all the word. For example, it contain 10 words. Okay, and then for 10 words it basically return us the average of that first tweet. Okay, and then for the second, its same process will goes for the second tweet and the third tweet, and the average is added inside this one. If I execute this, and each tweet average is saved inside a new attribute, this one. Okay, so this is the result, that the first tweet, that is king, this one was rushed to, it average word length is 31.0, the second one is this, and so on. So this is how you can find the each text average word length. First of all, it return as the average of first tweet and save inside this at new attribute, and for the same process will goes for the second and third tweet as well, as you see in the result. So this is how you can find the average word length. So now let's move to the next feature extraction, that is how many stop words the text have. For this, delete this one, and after reading this, from here we start. So first I create a new attribute, that is number of stop words. Okay, and inside, by reading the text attribute that contains all the tweet, we again apply the lambda x. Okay, x such as, and now the length. For stop words we import the here nltk, import nltk dot corpus. So this is from, we import the stop words. Okay, and we determine it which language stop words. So stop words, this one, dot words, and English, the language is English, and here saved all all these inside a new variable, that is stop, for example underscore words, this one. Now all the stop English stop words will inside the stop words variable. Okay, so copy this stop words, and here inside give me the each individual tweet length of its stop words. From here inside this braces x for x, this is for x in, after splitting it inside the words, x dot split. Okay, and also just only give me the length of all these words. First we determine the words. Okay, from the sentence we split the words. Okay, now x contains, it will loop, it will run until each words, okay, will finish inside the text, and only give me that words that are in stop. For this here write if x in and the stop words, this is stop words. So for all the words only return me that words that are inside the stop words array, stop words, okay, that are basically for all the English stop words, and give me the length and save it inside the each individual tweet a new column attribute, that is number of stop words. And if I execute this, you can see here the first tweet contain the stop words, then the second one is 4, as you see that here. Okay, and so on. So this is how you can extract the stop words from the text. Okay, and after that you can eliminate this one or remove this one. So this is the three most important feature extraction techniques. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.